Nestled on a spacious 2-plus-acre lot, this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom Rambler offers a unique opportunity for those with a vision. This property boasts incredible potential. Step inside to find a large living room, kitchen/dining combo, main floor laundry, washer and dryer included, spacious bedrooms, and a wide-open unfinished basement. Recent updates include new shingles on both the house and garage, maintenance-free siding, and wrapped maintenance-free windows for easy upkeep, a newer furnace, a 100-amp updated electrical panel, 2015, and a brand new water heater, offering peace of mind for the new owner. The sprawling 2-acre lot features mature trees along the edges, providing privacy and a serene setting, while still being conveniently located close to town. The tandem 2-stall garage, with doors on both